It was the perfect narrative. That there was this other woman, that there was this apologetic boyfriend, and the avoidant boyfriend towards the other woman, and the scorned woman. That's the narrative. That's her side of the story. And there's nothing wrong with that. But this is my side. This is my side. And I've been reading those screenshots. Doon ko napagtagpi lahat. Na kaya pala hindi siya makapag-release ng statement. Dahil sila pa pala this whole entire time. I didn't know. I was in the dark. I didn't know. I had no idea. Kaya pala ganun. Because she was clueless about everything. I was clueless about everything. We both believed kung anong mga nasa